Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix skate game freezing, low FPS, lagging, crashing, not launching, not loading, black screen or other errors on PC. So let's go through it. So the first method is to restart your PC. So for that, click on the Windows icon over here, then click on power, then select restart. After restarting your PC, now check if the problem is resolved and you can play the game. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, now click on install files, and here you click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, check if the problem is resolved. If not, next is to update graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search over here, search for device manager. Now go below and expand display adapters, select a graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then again click on search automatically for drivers. So this will show you if the driver is already installed and updated. If not, update your driver and then check if the problem is fixed. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link I have already given in the description and update your graphics card and then check if the error is resolved. Next is to modify launch options. So for that, need to go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, now click on general. Here you need to type -dx11 and then try to play the game and see if it helps to fix the issue. If not, type -dx12 and then try to play the game and see if it helps. If not, next is to allow skate through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search for Windows Defender Firewall. Now open it. After that, click on allow an app or feature. Now click on change settings, and here you need to search for the game if it's listed. It's listed over here. If not, you simply need to click on allow another app, then go to the browse section. Then from here you need to select the game that is listed, and after that add it to the list, and now select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and then click on OK, and after that try to launch the game and see if it is working. Next is to disable in-game overlays. For that, go to Steam, under library, here you need to click on Steam, then click on settings, then click on in-game, and here you have the option of enable the Steam overlay while in game. You need to click on it to disable. After disabling it, now check if the problem is resolved. Next is to run game as administrator. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library, now click on manage, then click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, now click on compatibility. Here select run this program as an administrator, then click on apply and OK. Now check if the problem is resolved. If not, click on run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7 and then hit on apply and OK, and see if it is working. If not, click on disable full screen optimizations and then click on apply and OK, and after that check if the problem is resolved. If not, next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, go to the link I have given in the description. After opening the link, you need to download and install the Visual C++ files on your PC. Once done, restart your PC once and then log into the game and check if you can play it without any problem. So just copy this and paste it in your browser. Now go below, and from here you need to download the Visual C++ files, and after downloading it, install it and then launch the game and see if it helps to resolve the problem. Next is to increase virtual memory. For that, go to the search option, search for view advanced system settings. Now click on settings, then click on advanced and then click on change. After that, select the drive where your game has been installed. Now here, custom size, in the initial size you need to type 12288, and in the maximum size you need to type 24576. Then click on set and then click on OK. So after this, launch the game and see if it helps to fix the issue. Next is to disable third-party overlay application. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled, such as NVIDIA Shadow Player or MSI Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game, so it's better to disable all those third-party overlay applications and then check if the problem is fixed. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to search option, search for check for updates, and here you need to click on check for updates option. If there is any update available, it will show you. You simply need to update your Windows to the latest version and then try to play the game and see if it is working. Next is to run the game as dedicated graphics card. For that, go to search option, search for graphic settings. After that, here you need to search for the game if it's listed. If not, you simply need to click on add a desktop app and go to the game folder, select it and add it to the list. After adding it, now here you need to click on arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you need to select high performance. After selecting high performance, try to launch the game and see if it is working. If not, the final solution is to reinstall the game. So for that, go to Steam. On the library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on uninstall and again click on uninstall option. So after uninstalling the game, restart your system once. After restarting, launch Steam and reinstall Skate game once again and then try to play the game and see if it's working and you can play the game without any further problem. So all these are few solutions that will surely help to fix Skate game crashing, not launching or other errors on PC. So that's all for now. Thank you.